Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Pet Incubator on Grow a Garden. As you can see, the fuel is 0, but you're just going to insert your pet in here. And to level up your pets more, you're going to get some crops, and you're going to basically submit fuel by doing that. So as you can see right now, it's at 4%, and you can just add more fuel. Let me see if I add in like a big plant. Well, let me just put this in. Okay, give like 18%. So the bigger your plant is, the more fuel it gives the pet. And I think it gives like XPs and levels up the pet a little bit faster. I'm not sure. I think I got it from the code. I don't remember where I got it from actually, if I am being completely honest with you. Oops, wrong one. Let me just fill it up to the brim here. Well, it's fine. And as you can see, the fuel's at 100%. And I think it just ups the XP of the pet. You can change the pet by removing it. So make sure the fuel's at 100%. Maybe it is a little bit easier to level up your pets this way. But yeah, that's the Pet Incubator for you guys. I think I got it from the code Bean or Leave 10, if I'm not mistaken, because somehow it's just in my garden. Anyways, I need to catch for some berries. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.